Hi, I'm Sandra Smith, the product manager for Wexxar Bel. Today we're going to take a look at our 5150E with the Smart Select software. Smart Select allows you to look at the contents of your order and then look at the cases that you have in your inventory and tell the operator what the case should be used to fill the particular order. So when the order arrives at the machine, it's telling the operator it's going to go into their A box. This is the contents. This is how the contents should be packed into that box to get the most efficient use of the box. So you don't have the operator making the decision about which case the product goes into. So you're not getting that really big box with that really small contents in there. So it saves in shipping, saves in corrugate cost. And then from here, an operator knows what to pick. Down into the machine, the case is formed, it's ready to be loaded. I can verify the contents of my order here. I'm packing my box out. Seal it up. Top and bottom, you would probably have a labeling system there at the rear, depending on what your label requirements would be. And then you're off to the next box.